Our situation before going solar was that, we're in an all electric home, and then, we're also powering other things like the greenhouse and the barn and the hot tub. And, it just made sense to do what we could to become a more sustainable property, and at the same time, create any financial benefit we could for ourselves along the way. We decided to go solar because, we already have a wood stove insert in our fireplace, but that wasn't sufficient, and solar seemed like the best option for us. One of the initial interesting things to me was neighbors started to ask questions and get interested and wanted to know, who we worked with on it. And, gradually we're seeing a reduction in the electric bill as well. I've seen changes now that we've gone solar in terms of the electric bill, moving downward instead of either going up or staying at a higher level on a monthly basis. I realized solar was benefiting us, frankly, as soon as it went online and was turned on, because I knew enough about the solar systems that we were going to benefit in not only the short term, but the long term in particular. I would tell anybody that's thinking about purchasing solar that, first of all, they have nothing to lose by having an assessment or evaluation done of their property and their situation, and looking at their electric bills and determining whether or not it's going to be a beneficial system for them. The three biggest benefits of working with Modern Mill had to do with them shouldering the permit and paperwork end of things, and the cooperative attitude of all of the people that we dealt with, and then ultimately the benefits that are going to be derived. And it's not just for us. I think it's in a bigger sense, it's an environmental benefit that people in general are going to accrue to. So I think what made me the happiest about working with Modern Mill was just the cooperative aspect of all the people that I dealt with there, and their expertise in areas that I might have some general knowledge, but I don't have engineering expertise when it comes to these kind of things. So, and if I had questions, it was explained in ways that even I could understand it. So.